Good morning everyone. My name is Joseph Brian Peñoso. I'm BSBA 1B. This topic is all about education is important for everyone. Education means studying in order to obtain a deeper knowledge and understanding ability of a subject. To be applied to a daily life, education is not limited to just knowledge from books but also be obtained in practical experience outside the classroom. I believe everybody should have a good start in their life having a good education. Education is a great path to success. School provide knowledge, friendship, and intelligence. Education is provide everyday skill, learning, and knowledge to success. And for me, education is important to everyone and to other people that doing learning knowledge to success. And I thank you.